Okay, so basically we are going to discuss about the control structure. Yeah, so by understanding of this concept, we can control the structure of our programs in VBA. So let's start with the if and then. So if and then we can use execute a block of code if condition is true. Otherwise, it's execute another block. Let's suppose we give some condition. If the condition is true, it will execute that thing. Otherwise, it will execute the another thing. Okay. So just a minute. Okay. Let's. So so this is our first program. We have to write this program under the sub functions. Now I'm going to de describe this marks as an integer. Marks as an integer, and marks, I just assign this marks equal to range A1. Whatever the value we put into the A1 cell, it's assigned to the marks. Okay, that is equivalent to marks. After that, if this marks, whatever the marks we put under the A1 cell, which is greater than equal to 50, then message box will print pass. First concept. Else, if this is not equal to or greater than this marks, then the message box, then else the message box will print fail. The two conditions. First is pass, second is fail. So if we have to write the structure like this, if whatever the condition you are putting here, and then we have to put then. So if then and else, here our topic is again if then and else. So under the between the if and then we have to write the condition, and then the second condition after else. So second condition is fail, either fail or pass, and then we have to end if. This is the complete structure of if then else. So start if then end if. After that, just check this code whether it's work or not. So I am assigning this code to the this button. So you know how to create this button and all the things. I think otherwise I can create into the another sheet. Yeah, fine. So I just assign this program a1 dot value equal to this. So this time this is not a1. Actually, this is a heading of check marks. We are going to check the marks. So just change it like a2. Make it a2. Yeah, a2. And let me save this. After that, this is if then else statement here. If then else. So this switch is work for if then else. So let's check the code. Right click and then assign micro. After that, edit. We are going to edit the code because I'm going to change the cell. Okay, so this is the code. Sub button one. Yes, okay. Describe. Yeah, describe marks as an integer and marks equal to range A2. Here it's already correct. A2 because but we corrected in our note. So, yeah. So this A2 cell value equal to marks. Whatever the value we give to the this cell, it's automatically become equal to the this marks. And if this marks is greater than equal to 50, then message box so pass, else message box so fail. So let's try this. Let's suppose a person gets 60 marks. Fine. Now just run this code. Yes, correct. This is pass. Okay. If somebody get 90 marks, it's pass. If somebody get 49, fail. So 50 is the criteria. 50 is the criteria. At least 50 marks is necessary. So whenever somebody get 50 marks, the result should be pass. So this is if then statement. Very simple program and very easy to understand. I don't think there is any issue to understand. Very easy. So okay. After that, we have another topic. that is select case. This is similar to this case, but there is a select case. Let's see. So better when multiple condition exist. Here only two condition, that is either fail or pass only. So we use if then and else statement. After that, let's suppose we have a multiple condition. So how we can manage this? So just start with the sub, give the name of the program. After that, dim grade as integer. Okay. After that, grade equal to range a6 dot value. I am assigning this cell a6 to the grade. Whatever the value we put into this cell, that is become equal to the grade. Yeah, got it. After that, select. After that, select case grade. So case, this is the first case, that is A. Whenever this case come, message box will show excellent. After that, case 2, that is whenever somebody get B, message box will reflect good. Case 3, that is C, if somebody get the C grade, message box will reflect average. After that, either A, B or C. Other than A, B and C, whatever the value we put, the case 4, the message box will show need improvement. After that, int select, because we start a select and then int select. Here we start with if, then end if, and this is int sub. This sub, int sub. This if, end if. Same thing. Select case, int select. After that, yeah. So we are using four condition. That is first condition. Somebody get A, the message box so excellent. Somebody get V, message box so the good. After that, the third condition C, message box so average. Other than these three condition, any other things we put into the cell 6, the improvement, this message will reflected by the message box. Let's run this code. Run this code. So our program name is check grade and select case. So this switch is work for select case. Let's check. Let's check the program. Okay. So same thing. Dim grade as a string. This grade as a string. We are not putting the numerical value. Otherwise, we assign as an integer. But here we are not using integer. We are using alphabetical number. This alphabet A B C. That's why we are equivalent to a string. As a string, we treat it as a string. After that, same thing, grade equal to range a6. Then all the four case, just put case A. Whenever somebody put A into the range a6, this is the message. For B, this is the message. For C, this is the message. And for other than A, B, C, this is the message. So let's run this code. Okay. So I put here. Let's suppose C, a capital C, and then select average. If somebody get A grade, excellent. If somebody get B grade, it's good. After that, uh, other than A, B, C, if somebody get Z, need for improvement. Somebody get P, just checking how it's works. Need to improvement. Other than A, B, C, this message will reflect it. So this way we can use the select case. Okay. Hmm, 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 hmm. Like this, let's suppose if I get, so we can use this way. This way we can use, no, greater than 50 or 60, like so, yeah. If then this way we can use. Yeah, yeah. Okay. For next loop. this is a loop that is for next loop. So run a block of code for a fixed number of time. Whenever we use this for next loop, it will run a block for of code for a fixed number of time. So we start with the sub, and this is the name of our program, print number. So dim I as an integer, we treated I, this I as an integer. For I equal to 1 to 5, we are defining I equal to 1 to 5. Debug.print, what it will print, number, it's print as it is, doesn't, and print I, this I, and this I start from 1 and next I. After this, let's suppose we assign up to 1 to 5. So first it's print the value of I, whatever the value of I, it's start with the 1. After that there is a next I, means print the next one after, yeah, second number. Again it's go to the printing the second number, then again next I. This will printing till 5, up to the 5. So let's try this. So let's check the code here. Dim I as integer, for I equal to 1 to 5, we are assigning I equal to 1 to 5. It will run start with I 1 and move until 5. How it's move? Yeah, debug.print, it will print I. Before this I, the print the number. If I delete this like this, it doesn't affect. Okay, after that next I. So it's move I by 1, 1 after 2 after 3, like that. So if I run this program, okay, let's uh, see this. It will here, I didn't connect with any cell. I didn't connect this thing with the any cell, but I'm going to check into the immediate window. Where is the immediate window? Have you remember the second class? We have so many windows like project, and so go to the this view and then open the immediate window. There is immediate window, local window, watch window. So I'm going to open immediate window because the result will be printed here, because I didn't connect with any cell under the Excel, but I want to just run this program and check the result, what kind of result it will show. So just select this program like this, fine, and then run. Here. It's printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. If I make this, yeah, I will tell you. Just have patience. If I make this like 50 and then run, see, all the 50 numbers printed this way. I didn't link this program, but here this after this I link for the second example of the this for next loop. We have a second example, like same program, but I just connected this value into the cell. Yes, that is cell 11 plus I, that is cell 12, and dot value equal to number. So when I run this code, it will print here. Okay. If we increase this number, if I make this 10, oh sorry, we have to change into the program also. Go and sign and make this 10 and then run. Save, close this. Run. 10 now. Print 10 now. So this is called the next for loop, for next loop. After that, do while loop. So this is also a loop, and it's almost their function is same, but see the difference is what? Run a block of code for a fixed number of times, and its definition is for do while loop, repeat a long as condition is true. Until the condition is true, it's run, otherwise it's not run. So the program is little similar to the above program. I am taking this all program are similar because it's easy to understand. Okay, then I will show you the a very nice example of the real life example. Okay, so sub do while example, name of the program. After that, dim I as integer, same like the first program here, I as integer. After that, I equal to 1, do while I is less than equal to 5. It means cell 11.1 dot, this is the address of cell. This is nothing. So do while, it means place the value I, whatever the value of I, place here into the cell 12, and then I equal to I plus 1. How it's moved? It's moved by plus 1. Whenever it's print the value of I into this cell, then it will, yeah, it will move to the next cell, and it will print the value of I plus 1. It means 1 plus 1. Again, when it's so I'll use loop. So again it's moved to the next cell, and it make the plus of I plus 1, whatever the value of I, that is 2, plus 1, that is 3. Again it's moved to the next cell, and what is the value of I, that is 3 plus 1, that is 4. This way it can print. So let's see here, do while. So again I am going to check this into the immediate window. So let's open this code here, same code, dim I as integer, I equal to 1, do while I is less than equal to 5, debug.print count and I, so I equal to I plus 1, and loop. All right, so just select all the program like this and run. Here it's print 1 to 5 number. It's start from I, that is 1. Here we assign 1. If we change this number, if I make this like 10, and I make this like 30, 30, and then if I will print, let's see, it's a start from 10, no, because it's print first I, it's print I, then it's moved by 1. So run this. See, start with 10, 11, 12, 13, and until 30. So equal to, we use equal to. So up to the 30, it will be true, and then it's yeah, the program will be stopped. Okay. Now let me make this correct. Yeah. Okay. So we check this in a immediate window. Now again, if I connect with the cell, any cell, then it will print into the cell. So program is same, but I connected with the cell. So dim I as integer, dim row as an integer. Which row? It's I equal to 1. We start with the value 1, and row equal to 2. Why 2? Because the row 1 and the row 2. Row 2. And I want to print into this, start from this. So this is a part of row 2. Okay. So row 2 and column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Column number 7 here. So row equal to 2. So do while I is less than equal to 5, and then cell. Which cell? The row's number is 2, 7. So row is 2. This is the row 2, and column is 7. So it will start from printing from here. Okay, and then dot value equal to count, and print I. What is the value of I? It's 1. After that, how it's moved? I equal to I plus 1. First it print the value of I, that is 1. After that, it's go to the next cell and print I plus 1, that is 1 plus 1. It will bring 2. Again, they will move into the next cell. Then it's again 2 plus 1 because I become 2. So let's run this program. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So up to the 5 because we put 5. Yeah, correct. Then again, this is the similar do until loop. So repeat until the condition become true. It's repeating. Yeah, it's same like do while loop. So first we have to mug up this thing because we have to repeat so many times. Then it's then we can understand how it's work. First we have to mug this kind of steps. So I will show you the real world example. Then you can understand a very easy program and very important use. Alright. So do until while. So repeat until the condition become true. These are very similar to the this program. Yeah, no, this one. Do while do. Yeah. So it's same. Dim as I as integer I equal to 1. Do until I is greater than 5. Yeah. Then debug dot print dot value I equal to 1 and it's move 1 I plus 1 and then loop. Same we have to go to the immediate window. Here. Dim I as integer I equal to 1. Do until I is greater than 5. Then debug dot print. This we use these things to print this value into the immediate window. If we don't use this, then we have to give some address of a cell or a range. But I want to print this into the immediate window, so we have to write like this: debug dot print. If we write like this, it will print into the immediate window. Let Yeah, let's delete the old data, then select the entire program and run. So it start from 1, that is I, and it's moving plus 1 and it's moved up to the greater than 5. Yes. So this will this work same like a do while loop. After that, nested loop. Nested loop is nothing but whenever, yeah, it loop inside the another loop. Here we use only the one condition, like if start with if, end if. Here select, otherwise start with for and end with next I. But we are using loop under the loop. How we can do that? So printing a multiple table. This is a practical example. Printing a multiple table. So dim I as an integer, j as an integer. Okay. We are using the two criteria. First I as integer and j as integer. Two value. Dim row offset as an integer. So offset start from 0. For I equal to 1 to 2, the value of I, it start from 1 and it, yeah, it's a start from 1 and it's move up to the 3. Then j, it's a start from 1 and it's moved to the 3. So basically I and j is what? Let me tell you. Uh, Draw. Let's suppose we have a bracket like this. Okay. So we will put something like 1 comma 2. So here 1 is I and 2 is j. So that thing we are using here, the I and j. So okay, just hold on. Let me delete this thing. Okay, so whenever I said for I equal to 1 to 3, it means it's move up to the 3. I value should be move 1 2 3. Again j value should be move 1 2 3 like this. After that range G3, I am going to print this value into the range G3. What is where is the G3 here? It's G3 is here because this is a G column and G13 display, and otherwise I can show you this set here G and 13. This start from this place. Okay. Okay. Range G13 dot offset row offset dot 0 dot value I into we use this. This is this is a emerson sign to connect. Yeah, this sign used to connect. So I this is printing as it is. This is nothing but it's a X, not a multiply, but it's look like a multiplied sign, right? But in computer, multiplied sign is basically like this star. This is a multiplication. But here in mathematics book, this cross sign will use as a multiply. So this is basically X, but we are treating as a multiplied sign. Okay. So I this will doing joining this the value of I and j. So I value of I multiplied by value of j equal to I into j. Whatever the value of this I and whatever the value of this j should equal to print here, and row offset equal to row offset plus 1. Then next j, next I, and int sub. Okay, this way here. See, loop under loop. It means a for loop under one. Yeah, and one more for loop. First for loop and the second for loop. So loop. Yes. So two for statement we are using. Let's try to run this code, then we can understand. Here same thing. I as a integer, j as an integer, dim row offset as an integer, then row offset is equal to 0. So I equal to 1 to 3, j equal to 1 to 3. Then range G3 start from G3 offset 0 dot value equal to I into j, the I value and the j value multiplied by, and it will give the product of these two value, and then row offset equal to row offset plus 1, then next j, next I. It means it's moving. First its print value of I value is 1. After that it will print the second value of I, then a third value of I, like this. So let's try to run this code here. When I click this, so the value of I is first 1 and the value of j is 1. So I into 1, then the value of I is 1 and the value of j is 2, multiplied by this 2. So this is I value. So first is printing I, then again the value of second I value, the third value. It's moved 1 to 3, 3 times. Again, the value of j is 1, value of j is 2, j is 3. Again repeating this, again repeating this. So what is the result of I1 multiplied 1? It's 1, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 3, 3. It's manually we are doing here. I into j. Whatever the value of I and j, it shows here. So it shows here. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. See, it's first printing the value of I here according to program. First I, then it take the, yeah, then again take the value of j. So it's take the value of this place. So after that it's again giving the value of I again 1, because it's moving j from here to here again. It's printing first, yeah, it's moving start from moving here and then it's go to the this place. So it's, yeah, so first time it's printing all the value of 1 to 3 of j, and the 1 3 times 1. After that again it's when the 1 is completed, then it's moved to the I, and whatever the value of I, that is I plus 1, that is j 2. So we set offset as a 1, no? So after that, yeah, this way we can write the program. Whenever you practice it, you can understand what's going on. So we have to do the lots of practice, and we have to do the check the lots of example. Then we can understand how we can write, how we can use it. Although we can use the chat GPT to learn all the things, these days people are not preferring to write the codes manually, because we are using chat GPT to write this kind of codes, because we don't have so much time to give the time to write the code and think again and again. Yeah, so just use chat GPT whenever you don't understand the concept, or otherwise it's very easy, don't worry. So these are the simple concept to understand this kind of loop, and all these are the loops, structure of control structure, that is loops: for loop, next loop, do while loop, all the loops. Now let's try where it's used, where these kind of formulas used. So let's practical example. Let's go for the practical example. Okay. So I'm going to show you one practical example, that is, let somebody going to go to the ATM and try to withdraw the money. Okay. So there is some value of amount that present into the account of somebody, and he want to withdraw the amount equal to or less than that value, and again they try to withdraw more than that value. Then what happens? So let's see. Yeah, 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 yeah. So only if then else and message box, only these three are sufficient to do this kind of work. So let's see. Go to the next page here. Bank ATM withdrawal. So let's suppose somebody have a balance like 10,000, at least five, and he want to try to withdraw 5,000 from his account. And we have put this kind of codes. I am going to talk about the code later. First, check the result. So they have a balance of 10,000, and they are going to withdraw 5,000, and the remaining money they want to leave inside this account. So simply balance, and what are the withdrawal amount? 5,000, and then click on the button to withdraw all the money. So just click. Okay. So transaction successful. Remaining balance 5,000, because we already take the 5,000. So remaining balance is 5,000. After that, let's suppose somebody want to withdraw um, more than this value, 11,000. Yeah. So this is not possible to withdraw this amount, because he has only 10,000 in his account. But he is typing 11,000. So let's run this code. Insufficient balance. Doesn't doesn't do any transaction. So yeah. So if somebody want to withdraw all this amount, 10,000, and then run this code. Transaction successful. Remaining balance 0. Got it. Same if I put 1,000 and then withdraw. So transaction successful. Remaining balance 9,000. So just now, just go to the code, and let's discuss the code, how it's work. It's similar to the this program, whatever we discuss in the first this program. If then, as simple as this, as simple as this program is, the code behind this logic, this ATM withdrawal. So let's see. Go to the that code here. So same sub ATM withdrawal, name of the program. Then dim balance as a double, because even we can put the decimal value, but here it's not work. But we uh, either integer or a double, anything, whatever you want. I just write double. Again, the withdrawal as a double. So either balance and withdrawal both are double, or integer. Just make it integer. That is also fine. Yeah, I am waiting. No. Yeah, sometimes it's happening. Don't worry. All right, so I am going to describe balance as a double and then withdrawal as a double, because both are numerical value. So either even we put integer, that is also fine. After that, I assign balance equal to range b2 dot value. So what is the b2? B2 is this cell here, b2. So b2, got it? So range b2 dot value equal to balance. The word balance, whatever the value we put under this, that is stored into the balance, this word. And range b3 dot value is equal to withdrawal. Whatever the value we put in into the b3, it's equal to the withdrawal words. Okay. Then now we are going to apply this if then condition. So if withdrawal is less than equal to balance, then message box transaction successful, remaining balance, what is whatever the balance minus withdrawal. So balance minus withdrawal. So what is the code? If withdrawal, this withdrawal is less than equal to balance, then either less than or equal to balance, then transaction successful, because either we withdraw the less amount or equal to the that amount, this amount. How much we withdraw, either equal to this amount or either less than this amount, but greater than is not possible. So, so if withdrawal is less than equal to balance, then message box will print transaction successful. Remaining balance, what is the balance? That is balance minus withdrawal. This is a balance, this is a withdrawal. The balance should be either bigger or a small. Yeah, it's always bigger. Yeah, then transaction will be possible. No? If it's a small, it's not possible. So always balance minus withdrawal. Else, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hmm. No. Hmm. Okay, okay. Hmm. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Oracle database. Fine. Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Try to link. Yeah, sure, sure. Just I will share this sheet with you, and just try to link with your current work. So this is the actually correct way to learning something, because just learn and try to apply in your daily life. Then it will very useful, and it's you can learn so fast. Okay, after that, see, if variable is less than equal to balance, then print message transaction is successful, remaining balance. So balance minus withdrawal, whatever the balance or minus withdrawal, it's printing. Else, if this condition not true, then print insufficient balance. So very small code, very small code, and it's looks so very nice, no, and very useful. So this kind of code is used in a ATM. Yeah. So it will show the message, it will show the balance, it will show the transactions this way. Okay. After that, let me discuss one more example. Yeah. Similar type of example I'm discussing so that you can understand. So here, let's suppose we move to a supermarket or some store, and they provide some discount on a particular value. That kind of example we are going to discuss here. So, so some store discount. I just put a button. Let me show you first how I am going to run this code here. we enter into a shop or a mall, and there is a shopping discount on 1000, that is 10%. If somebody going to purchase some product which is greater than 1000, then the showroom provide 10% discount, or shop provide 10% discount. So let's suppose a person went to the shop, go to the shop and then purchase item of 900, and then try to check this whether it's a discount is available or not. No discount available. If somebody purchase 9900 and try to, no discount available. Now if somebody purchase 1000 amount and then check for the discount, you get 10% discount. This way, this is also a code using into the let's suppose you went to the supermarket sometime and see this kind of discount is available, or they are learning on a computer. Yeah, yeah, they store some data and then say that you get 10% discount, 8% discount, like that. So this way the code are running behind that that kind of work. So let's discuss the code. So dim amount as a double, and amount equal to range G4. What is the G4? This is the G4. Whatever the value I put under this is equal to amount. So amount equal to range G4 dot value. This is a G4. So after that, if amount is greater than equal to greater than and equal to, if 1000 or greater than 1000, then message box will print you get 10% discount. If this not happen, this will not happen. If the amount is not greater than equal to 1000, then message box no discount available. That's it. Simple, very very simple. And when, hello, okay, okay, I know this. Fine, no problem. See this. I just make this, like, create these things in large. Yeah, not developer. Just simply go to the home page and merge. This is a merge option here. Okay, simply merge and make a table. Give some color and write whatever the things like this. I'm going to copy this, paste here. Fine. This. Okay. After that, sorry. These two parts. So go to this part. This things. Give two colors. One, let's suppose blue, and let's suppose second color should be this thing. After that, create a button. Go to the developer. Then insert. Choose a button, and then give a button size like this. Leave it. So it's want to create a button. Yes. Yeah, they want to assign a program. So just simply go to this program. Copy this. I'm not copying this sub and the end sub because it's already available here. It's already available. So I'm not going to copy that part. Only this part. Copy this and paste this code here, and then save it, and just leave this. Now we have to change this cell because this is H and what is H4. So we have to put this. Yeah, first let me change the name, amount. So let's put here amount. Yeah, so we will put amount and make this little, increase the size of this, and make this, take this into the center by using this, and make this bold, and give some color, so it's look nice. Increase the size, 14 is fine. Give the background color of this button like this. Select this and then give some color, anything like this. Fine. Okay. Now we have a address of cell is H4. So go to the program, and change the code. So it's H4, no? Change this H4. Now everything is fine. Everything is same. Save it and then run this. Give some value. Uh, let's suppose 800 and check this. No discount. If I put if I put 10,000, you get 10% discount. If you want to give the name of the button, right click and then edit text. Now give name of the button. I am going to give discount checker. Discount checker. If you want to make this bold or something, that's also possible. This way, if you want to make this bigger, make it bold, that is also possible. So discount checker, just put them out and check whether you are eligible for the discount or not. This way, just click on it. Yes, 10%. So this kind of simple code run behind that this kind of work. Of course, yes. So ATM withdrawal. You have to. Uh-huh. Yes, yes, yes. Share with you. Share with me. Just hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let me unshare my screen first. Stop sharing. Yeah, fine. Now share your screen. Yes. Hmm. 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 I got it. Actually, this is a VBA enable, right? So we write this formula by the help of VBA. So it's a VBA enable. So whenever we enable the VBA, then it will run. Otherwise, it's not so. We have to save this sheet as a VBA enable. We have to. Hmm. 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 Okay, I got it. You change the sheet whenever you change the workbook. This is a one Excel file. You open a new Excel, new book. Okay. So, but it's not available here, right? Because we provide the formula into that sheet, not in this sheet. Yeah, yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Because wherever we write the code will work on that sheet only, not into another file. Hmm, no problem. No problem. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. So yeah, fine. So this is the entire things about the this structure of control structure of VBA. So I think this is sufficient for today, and I think last two example is very nice, right? The store discount and the ATM withdrawal. Yes. So these are actually used in a real life. So we can, this is a very simple example. Even we can do more than this. This is a very basic example. So it's a very attractive, right? It's a very basic and a very attractive. Yeah. Yeah, why ATM provide the money, how the message will come, it's a transaction is successful, your transaction is insufficient like this. Then now you can understand how this system is working. Okay. So now so shall we stop the class now? Okay. Okay. So I will share this Excel Tuesday. Okay. No problem. No problem. No problem. I will try to join on the Tuesday. So I will share this sheet with you, the Excel file as well as the note, and just practice it every day. Practice it every day. Open the sheet and try to find the new formula. Don't stop only these codes. Just try to find the new codes. Try to connect this code with in your, yes, yes. Try to apply in your real world as well as try to find the new formulas, new things. Try to learn from the chat GPT. Then you can grab this completely. Okay, all right. So then bye. Welcome. Bye bye.